What's up, guys? We're back. So I want to do a quick experiment update and talk you through what I was trying to do. This right here is the Santa Clara Gold, SC Gold, and I had one last fruit that I had planned on just keeping as long as possible to see if I can get it to go into like maybe June, July even. Well, this was where the fruit was supposed to be. And I came out here and it was gone. I was like, oh no, maybe it dropped. Then I looked down here, couldn't find it. I do have one cuke right there. I probably have another cuke somewhere. But in any case, it dropped, and considering it wasn't on the ground, I just assumed that it was some type of animal that came, some UFO that came and actually took the fruit. So I was like, oh, well, that's a bummer because I wanted to see if it was still good. We're in May right now. We're like May 14th, 15th. I don't even know the date, but so I was planning on just, keeping it for a while. But just recently, I started walking around, just checking things out, and then I found it. It was over here by my lamb. So whatever UFO picked this, moved it over here by my lamb. And let me just show you what my lamb has looks like right now. So lamb fruits in clusters like this. It's pretty amazing. So excited about that, and we got new fruit coming in. So since I found it, I felt it, it's pretty soft. So we're gonna cut this guy open and actually eat it and see if it's good. So I'm gonna put you guys on pause and then I'll cut it open and then I'll re-record the video here. Okay, here it is. I cut it open and I haven't flipped it open yet, so let's do it. All right, here it is, cut open. Still looks really nice, actually. Also, the seed cracked inside and it's already kind of seeding out and growing some roots. But the flesh and the fruit still looks really good. So yeah, we're in May, and I was eating this in January and they were good in January. See that right there? That's where the roots were pushing into the flesh. So I'll just eat it real quick and then give you feedback here. Okay, I just took a bite. It's good. It's still good. So as long as the UFOs aren't getting your fruit, and luckily for me, I found this. And, I think, at least for me, May seems to be the time when it's pretty much ready to go because the seed that's inside already cracked open and was already starting to root out. So I'll do this experiment again maybe next year just to see. But, I've heard of people, and I think some of the people were from up north, like Northern California. I'm in Southern California, so the fruiting season could be a little different. But it's good to know that Santa Clara Gold can sit on the tree at least until May. So I'll mark that on my little spreadsheet. So I was able to eat it in January all the way through May. So that's kind of a long window, which is really good. So if you guys haven't subscribed to the channel. We'll do some more avocado content in the future here. And we got more new varieties that we're going to put into the ground. So I need to start doing that. Hopefully this week is perfect week to do it. We had a little heat wave last week. Nice and cool this week. This is perfect time to be planting avocados. So in any case, talk to you guys later. See ya.